Hello YouTube. There's a little unboxing video, and as you can see I have the Technics 1200s here, the MK7s, and these are in silver. I've seen a lot of videos of the black ones and the Red Bull version, but the silver ones, from what I saw in Sweetwater, I ordered them from Sweetwater. They weren't out yet, they just came out or released. I had signed up to get an email when they were finally available. They had them advertised in Sweetwater, but to pre-order. I didn't pre-order them. I just waited till they were available. I got the email and I ordered them right away, and maybe about a day and a half I got an email saying that they were shipped, and I finally got them. So we're going to open them, okay? I'm going to show you, give you little look. I'm going to get close up too. I have another camera. I'm going to do a little close up of the turntable. And these are in silver. These are not the black, and they're not with a custom skin on them. They came from the factory in silver, and I haven't seen it. I saw one video just like a day ago. One guy had them. A guy from Spain. He sounded like he was from Spain, but so far that's the only one I saw, and it wasn't very good quality. The video, I should say, kind of so. It was so-so, I guess. Kind of dark where he recorded, but all right. So first time I'm opening them, just like I do all my videos. So a little piece of cardboard here. I'll put this off to the side. And the first thing's in here. So this is the platter, obviously. Has a little cover on the magnet. That's the platter there. There's a little sticker like the Technics always had. That little sticker, I remember that. And this is, I saw a video on the insides, and these turntables are totally different from the original Technics MK2s all the way up to MK5s or whatever was the last one. These are the 7s, so we'll see. Okay, I'm going to place this right behind me up here. I don't have much room here right now. I'll place that platter right over here. Nice and safe. All right, so we got that open. This is a little cover here. All right. We got the glass cover for them. I'll set this right here. And we have the little slip mat, little Technics slip mat here, as you've seen before. I'll set this right there. And another piece of cardboard here. Here we have protective stuff here. Oh, let's see this little bag here. Little owner's manual. Looks like a little sticker here giving you some information on them. And a Technique sticker right down here, which I'll probably put on the side like everybody else does. The front when you put them sideways. Yeah. It looks like some little screws for the cartridges. I have plenty of these, but it's nice that they give you extra. Excuse me. Head shell. The little Technics logo on them. Technics logo is very small and light. White writing, you can barely see it, but still, it's good. And there it is. And then got the little tone arm weight. It's a little different from the original Technics 1200s. This thing here, so what it looks like, you know. All right. So we'll set this right over here. All that stuff over there. We have our little 45 adapter. I use this sometimes. It's nice. Aluminum, like a light aluminum little. That's it right there. These little bags here. All right. More cardboard. We'll give you a set of RCAs. Oh, there's two. No. One set of RCAs and one ground cable. Do that right there. And I know I'm boring you with all this stuff. And the power cable. Power cable's in there. All right, I can already see it. It's in silver. All right, how am I going to do this? All right. All right, pulling it out. All right, I'm going to do this. Get this box out of here. Throw this box on the floor here. All right, sorry for the loud bang, but I had to do it. All right, let me take this off. This is going over here. All right, we're going to unwrap it now. We're going to take a look. We're going to do close-up too. I'm going to use the other camera, then I'll switch over to the other camera when I'm editing this video, or somewhat editing. I'm not a master at editing, but I'll try my best. Hopefully you enjoy the video. I got one of my last videos, I believe it was on the Pioneer DDJ 1000 SRT, the white one, that somebody said had the white balance all off on the camera. Oh, not an expert, but I tried to get it right this time. All right, and here it is. This thing looks real nice, the color. Wow. All right. Well, let's get a little close-up of this thing. Let's see here. All right. Now this is what the inside looks like. And that's where your dip switches are that control certain things, certain functions of the turntable. Got the little light that everybody talks about that they don't like. I don't see what the big deal is. Feels fine to me. Whatever. Start and stop button feels good. Power. Yeah. So, let me put this aside for a second. You stay right there. We're going to put the platter on. And I can play around with the dip switches later, once I get it all hooked up. And Okay. I'm going to turn this around, the whole turntable. And give you a close-up from the front. Okay. And there's the tone arm. You see MK7. And yeah, I saw the black ones have been out for a long time, and I already have my Pioneer PLX 1000s that are black. And I saw the Technics, and they look good. There's nothing wrong with them. I didn't really like the black matte finish. They should have called them 1210s if they wanted to do that, I think. But I like the silver, the classic silver look better anyway. That's why I bought them, and I was waiting for this to come out. And yeah, this is what they look like. And they are available now from factory, from Technics, from Panasonic Technics. So yeah, this is what they look like. Finally, they came out in the classic silver look. I know a lot of people felt like I felt. They wanted to get the classic looking ones. So they are finally available. I'm going to give you a shot of the bottom of them. Make sure this is tied down. And this is what they look like in the bottom here. Hold it up for a little while. You can take a look at them. And as you can see, got enough space there for the RCAs and the power. So in case you have them sideways, you can have the wires tucked in there with no problem. That's usually how I set up my turntables, battle style. So that's a good thing too. Oh, and they're removable. The RCAs aren't connected to them anymore like inside. You can just change them out as you please. Whatever color, whatever style, quality RCAs you want, you can just switch them over. And I think they're very beautiful. All right. So enjoy the video, and if you are like me and you were waiting for the silver ones, they're out now. Go on out there and order them, or go to your local music store, wherever they sell DJ equipment, and purchase them. They're available now from the factory. Not a skin, not a paint job. It's from the factory. All right. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think of the color. If you can, let me know if you like it, if you think they look good, or if not, if you like the black ones better, if you like the Red Bull version. Let me know. I'm curious to hear what people think of these. All right? Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.